Hey, if you don't have the notifications about the incoming calls on your Redmi Watch free active, first of all, you have to go into the settings. So click on this button, tap on this settings icon, and from here, you have to go to the sound and vibration. Now just be sure that the silent mode is actually turned off. Then you can also scroll down and set the ringtone volume. So from here, we can click on the plus. And now, as you can hear, that's how we can actually change this ringtone sound of the incoming calls. And also, you have to be sure that on your phone, in the device, so select your device, go to the incoming calls, and be sure that you turn on this option, optimize incoming call notifications, accept the permission, and the same for the show contact information, and accept the permission. And right now, definitely you will have all informations about incoming calls on the Redmi Watch free active. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.